Welcome. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 28. I hope you might have watched from lesson number 1 till lesson number 27. Before I begin, I would like to inform if anyone wants to read write Arabic, please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of foundation course. And also, I would like to inform if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, to learn speak Arabic in very easy way, please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of Arabic series. And also, I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. So let's begin. In this lesson, we will learn how to use who, how to use who and who word in Arabic, who. Okay, so who in Arabic is spoken Arabic, say mean. Mean is who. Okay, so let's see simple. Let's use in simple sentence. Suppose who are you? Okay, and who are you? Say in Arabic simple. Mean anta. Mean anta. Who are you? Suppose addressing female. Mean anti. Addressing female. Okay, mean anti. Who are you? Who are you? Okay. Now, suppose who is he? Who is he? Simple say mean huwa. Mean huwa. And suppose who is she? Who is she? Simple say mean here. Mean here. Mean here. Okay. And now reply. Suppose mean anta. You can say I am student. You can say ana talib. Ana talib. I'm a student. Or you can say I am I am I am an engineer. I am an engineer. To say ana muhandis. Ana muhandis. Ana muhandis. Ana muhandis. You can say I am manager, or you can say boss. I am boss. You can say ana mudir. Ana mudir. Okay. So basically, who is mean? Who are you? Mean anta, mean anti, mean huwa. Suppose who is this boy? Who is this? Who is this boy? You can say mean hada walad. Mean hada walad. Who is this boy? Okay. So suppose this is boss son. This is boss son. This is boss son. You can say hada ibn mudir. Hada ibn mudir. Okay. So mean. Okay. Now simple sentence. Very simple sentence. You can use it. Okay. So suppose who is this? Who is this? Simple say mean hada. Who is this? Who is this? Right? Who is this? Okay. This is a driver. This is a driver. Hada sawwaq. Hada sawwaq. Hada sawwaq. Hada sawwaq. Okay. So this is a word who, mean. Okay. So I hope you might have enjoyed this lesson, how to use who, and I hope you might have understood everything. And now you can frame question and give answer. Mean who. For example, who is this? Mean hada. Who is he? Mean huwa. Who are you? Mean anta. Okay. And who is this boy? Mean hada walad. Okay. Who is this person? Mean hada nafar. Mean hada nafar. Mean hada nafar. Who is this person, right? Who uh, who is who is this person? Okay. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Arabic class. We'll see you in next class. Okay, ma salama. Bye. See you. إلى اللقاء. Have a nice day. نهارك سعيد. Thanks. شكرا. نهارك سعيد. شكرا. نهارك سعيد.